What's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today we're going to be finishing these bad boys. What we're going to be doing is taking the soles off of another pair of shoes, throwing them onto these. As you can see, the bottom is all ready. We got it all lasted up. It's nice and smooth all the way around. So all that we're going to be doing today is taking the soles off of the low top Jordans, taking those soles off so they're going to be the donors. We're going to be gluing this bad boy up, gluing all the way around. We're going to throw them both in the oven, heat them up, stack them together, and they'll be ready. Once we're done with that, we're going to come back here, peel off the last, peel it all out, stitch the sole right on, and it'll pretty much be done. Once we're done with that, we're going to bring it right back here, rip the last right out, hand stitch the sole on, it's going to be all ready. So everything that I'm going to be using throughout this process is just going to be the contact cement, acetone, we got the bone pick right there, and that's pretty much it. Once we come back, we got the hand out, we got some thread to stitch on the sole, and that's all we're going to need. So as you can see, this leather is really nice. We got a nice and smooth toe. It's going to go into the oven, warm it up a little bit to get it ready for the sole. As you can see, this shoe came out really nice. I think we're going to be going with white laces, so I'm going to have to pick those up later. But for right now, this is what we're looking at. As you can see, the bottom, it's nice and smooth. Skive that all down, cut it all down so it's nice, flush, feels all great on the toe, on the heel. So now, let's go take the sole off. So we're back. As you can see, the sole is now on the shoe. So all that we got to do is take off the laces, throw it on the last mount, rip the last out, and then hand stitch the sole on. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. I just got to take these laces right out. We're going to be throwing white laces in. They're going to look super clean. I don't think I'm going to go with red laces. I think I'm just going to go with white laces. But I just got to take these out, throw them on the last mount, rip the last right out. They'll be all finished after that. I'm going to be using white stitch for the midsole, so that will be clean as well. So I got the last mount right here, and now we're just going to rip the shoe right off. As you can see, they're looking super nice. This is a really clean pair. I really like how they came out. I'm super happy with how they turned out. Now all I gotta do is hand stitch the sole onto the bottom. Just gonna use a hand stitch owl, you know, white stitch, just normal, you know. I think the white thread will look very clean. As you can see, the wings are just chilling right there. We got the elephant print as well as all the tab stuff on the back. So this is the red and white sole that came off of the bread, or the 85s if I'm correct, the 85 low tops. So this is it. Now we're gonna go on to the hand stitching to stitch the sole on. So they're finally finished. The soles are now completely on. So we'll do the first one. I threw black and white laces on it just to see what the vibe kind of looked like. So here's the black laces. As you can see, it came out very nice, super clean. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm more of a fan of the white laces. That's just my preference. I think the white laces go a lot better with the red and white. But I wanted to throw the black laces on just to see what it looked like, you know. Because for me, I feel like this looks more of like a off-white Jordan 1. Compared to this, it looks more of like, I would guess you'd say a custom, something like that. Or it just kind of feels like the black laces don't, like they aren't supposed to be on it. Compared to the white laces, I feel like it just all goes well. But I still really like the black laces. It's definitely something that I'll include with these shoes just because I think it has a very unique look and it goes well with the elephant print. But I'm more of a fan, you know, of just the simple classic laces on here. But these are what they look like. I'm super happy with how they turned out. As you can see, this is what they look like right by each other. You know, this is a front of them. Who knows, I might just keep black and white laces on them. I'm kind of feeling that because you know how it's a, whoopsies, how it's an off-white shoe. How like some people will have like an orange, green lace, so on and so forth, whatever laces they're doing, you know. But these are them. Comment down also if you think I should get some off-white laces. So the laces that have off-white on the very tips, you know. But for the most part, you know, so we'll also show you the tag on the inside. So it's just single, and then you got the double stitched right there, so it's down there. Another detail, we got the flaps on the wing, so we could have those sit right over. So we got the normal ones and we got the off-white ones that just sit over like that. I really like that touch. It's a really nice touch to it. Also, what I really like is how the orange and the baby blue came out. I think it came out very nice. I had to hand wrap it, so that's why it looks like that. But I'm super happy with these. I'm super proud on how they turned out, and these are probably the cleanest ones I've made so far. Thanks for checking out this video. Comment down below what I should name these. I don't know what to name these yet, so I'll pick some comments down below and, you know, choose from those possibly if there's some good ones down there. So drop it down. Also comment down what laces I should do, whether you like black or if you like white, the off-white also. So just let me know about that. But thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. It really helps the channel. We're really growing a lot lately, so I really appreciate it. A like just helps a lot on the channel. And if you want to learn how to make your own pair of Jordans, I got my online class down in the description. We got the Facebook group down there in the description, so just click there and you can join the group and also go check out some merch. But thanks for watching and have a good day.